Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Ripple's Brad Garlinghouse and Mark Cuban to discuss crypto at high-stakes Biden roundtable this week. Also, the German government owns around $2 billion in Bitcoin, and it's freaking out crypto investors. Plus, Cynthia Lummis backs Ian Cain over crypto lawyer John Deaton for Senate. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. We have a quick request that doesn't cost you anything in order to help. Help us grow this channel to 1,000 subscribers by September, which would be our channel's 1-year anniversary. All we ask is that you click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. By clicking on these, it does help grow the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, Ripple's Brad Garlinghouse and Mark Cuban to discuss crypto at high-stakes Biden roundtable this week. Democratic Representative Ro Khanna, who represents the United States' richest district in California's Silicon Valley, is gearing up to host an exclusive crypto roundtable in Washington this week, Fox Business journalist Eleanor Terrett reiterated in a recent post on the Twitter platform. The primary objective of the roundtable is to support innovations in Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem within the nation. Historic Bitcoin Roundtable in Washington. Democrat Ro Khanna wants to protect the crypto sector from a potential Donald Trump takeover. As such, he is set to host a Bitcoin Roundtable this Wednesday. Several well-known industry figures, including billionaire businessman Mark Cuban, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, Skybridge Capital founder Anthony Scaramucci, former CFTC chair Chris Giancarlo, and execs from Coinbase, Kraken, Circle, and Andreessen Horowitz will attend the much-hyped event, Terrett noted. Mark Cuban is an outspoken advocate for crypto and the crypto industry. He believes the current Securities and Exchange Commission captain, Gary Gensler, could cost President Joe Biden his office in the November 2024 election due to Gensler's anti-crypto stance. The SEC notably launched an aggressive crackdown, bringing lawsuits and criminal charges against some of the industry's leading figures. Furthermore, Biden's recent veto of a resolution intended to clip the SEC's wings on crypto accounting policies furthers his anti-crypto agenda. Some of the SEC's more recent actions, including dropping their investigation aimed at categorizing Ethereum's ETF token as an unregistered security, seem to add credence to speculation that President Joe Biden has belatedly acknowledged the significance of crypto voters to his re-election chances in November. Khanna seeks to boost ties with the crypto industry and lure crypto voters. The congressman has a history of supporting crypto-friendly legislation like the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act, better known as FIT21. Biden officials slated to attend. Crypto could play a key role in the upcoming U.S. presidential elections, as both Trump and Biden are neck and neck, as per the polls. A pro-crypto candidate, therefore, could have an edge over an anti-crypto candidate. While the ex-POTUS once said, Bitcoin seems like a scam, and has repeatedly criticized the tech industry, he has made several supportive comments about crypto in recent months, promising to end Biden's war on crypto. The roundtable will also feature Biden administration officials and other lawmakers from the House and Senate. There are unconfirmed reports about the attendance of White House officials, including Biden's Chief of Staff, Jeff Zients, and pro-crypto White House advisor Carol Haas. Congressman Khanna's forthcoming roundtable could mark a pivotal moment for the crypto industry in the U.S. The roundtable, which will bring together policymakers and industry executives, aims to foster a collaborative environment to promote innovation and development. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, the German government owns around $2 billion in Bitcoin and it's freaking out crypto investors. For weeks now, Germany's government has been selling hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, and it's been a key factor behind the cryptocurrency's intense sell-off. Last month, the German government began selling Bitcoin from a wallet operated by the country's Federal Criminal Police Office, referred to locally as the BKA. The BKA sold 900 Bitcoins in June, worth approximately $52 million as of Monday, from a massive haul seized from a now defunct movie piracy website, according to on-chain data tracked by blockchain analysis firm Arkham Intelligence. Last week, the government sold an additional 3,000 Bitcoins, worth roughly $172 million. Then on Monday, German police sold a further 2,739 Bitcoins, or $155 million worth of the cryptocurrency. The government has been sending its crypto reserves to exchanges such as Coinbase, Bitstamp, and Kraken. The German government wasn't immediately available for a comment when contacted by CNBC on Monday. Bitcoin price reaction. In tandem with these sales, Bitcoin has seen its price fall dramatically. Bitcoin sank below $55,000 on Friday, hitting its lowest level since February 2024, according to CoinGecko data. At one point in the day, the entire crypto market had shed more than $170 billion in combined market capitalization in a 24-hour period, CoinGecko's data showed. Germany's Bitcoin sales aren't the only concern for crypto investors. The cryptocurrency has also been under pressure from the payout of billions of dollars worth of digital currency from the collapsed Bitcoin exchange Mt. Gox, which went bankrupt in 2014 to creditors. On Friday, the trustee from the Mt. Gox bankruptcy estate, Nobuki Kobayashi, said it had begun making repayments in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash to some of the creditors through a number of designated crypto exchanges. Hundreds of millions of dollars is a lot of money, but it's a drop in the ocean if you look at Bitcoin's overall token issuance. There are around 19.7 million Bitcoins in circulation today, worth $1.1 trillion according to CoinGecko data. For investors, though, it's all about how those sales are impacting the mood in the market. James Butterfill, head of research at crypto asset manager CoinShares, told CNBC that though relatively minor, the Bitcoin sales have affected market sentiment. Bitcoin's price is still up a good 89% in the last 12 months. Why Germany owns $2 billion in Bitcoin. In January 2024, police in the eastern German state of Saxony announced the seizure of close to 50,000 Bitcoins, worth around $2.2 billion at the time. The haul was labeled by Saxony police as the most extensive seizure of Bitcoins by law enforcement authorities in the Federal Republic of Germany to date. The funds were seized from the operations of Movie2K.2, a movie piracy site that was active in 2013 and transferred to a crypto wallet owned by Germany's Federal Criminal Police Office. According to Arkham Intelligence, which tracks movements from the German government's Bitcoin wallet, the tokens began moving as far back as 2013 when they were originally seized. Today, Germany's BKA holds roughly 32,488 Bitcoins. At current prices, the government's holdings are worth roughly $1.9 billion. Not everyone is happy with Germany's decision to sell its Bitcoin holdings, though. Jonah Kotar, a member of the German Bundestag, which is the country's parliament, said in a post on X last month that rather than selling its Bitcoin, the government should be holding the token as a strategic reserve currency. Kotar said she has written to German Chancellor Olaf Scholz, Finance Minister Christian Lindner, and Saxony Minister-President Michael Kretschmer to tell them selling Bitcoin is not only not sensible, but counterproductive. She said she's invited the German officials to a lecture with Samson Moe, a prominent Bitcoin influencer, on October 17th at the Paul Loeb Haus building in Berlin. Our next top headline: Cynthia Lummis backs Ian Cain over crypto lawyer John Deaton for Senate. Pro-crypto Senator Cynthia Lummis cited Republican Ian Cain's understanding of blockchain technology and the digital economy in his campaign to unseat Democrat Elizabeth Warren. Wyoming Senator Cynthia Lummis, one of the more outspoken cryptocurrency advocates in the United States Congress, has endorsed Republican Ian Cain for a Massachusetts Senate seat. In a July 8th announcement, Cain's campaign said Senator Lummis was backing the Republican candidate, citing his understanding of the digital economy and his embrace of innovation. The endorsement could give Cain an edge in a primary between his opponents, including engineer Robert Antonellis and crypto-focused lawyer John Deaton. From the border to blockchain, Ian Cain understands the issues facing his community, and he will fight hard every day for the Commonwealth, said Senator Lummis. The Wyoming senator's endorsement came 57 days before the Massachusetts Republican primary and 120 days until the general election in the United States. Republicans are looking to unseat incumbent Elizabeth Warren, who has served as the state's Democratic senator since 2013. Senator Warren is also one of Congress's more vocal anti-crypto voices, connecting cryptocurrencies to financing illicit activities. Deaton is a lawyer who has filed amicus briefs in many high-profile crypto court cases, advocating for the technology against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and criticizing Senator Warren for her anti-crypto viewpoints. His campaign outraised Senator Warren's in the first quarter of 2024, receiving funds from crypto-focused backers, including C-level executives at Gemini, Ripple, and Kraken. Cain, co-founder of the firm Quebec Labs, launched his campaign in April. Data from the Federal Election Commission on fundraising for the Republican candidate was unavailable at the time of publication, likely because his campaign was launched after first quarter 2024 filings. The Republican candidate has made many statements on his personal X account, suggesting that he supports crypto and blockchain technology, including supporting the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century, or FIT21 Act. As of May 30th, YouGov polls suggested that Senator Warren had a more than 20-point lead over Deaton and Cain. Cointelegraph reached out to Deaton and Senator Lummis for comment, but did not receive a response at the time of publication. Crypto and blockchain have already become campaign issues for many candidates running for office in 2024, including former U.S. President Donald Trump. The Republican candidate has advocated for Bitcoin mining in the United States and said his campaign would accept crypto contributions. The move has reportedly prompted President Joe Biden to consider making digital assets more of a campaign issue with the election looming. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.